Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Edge upcoming cars updates. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 Toyota Yaris Cross. This subcompact SUV promises big capability in a small package, perfect for city dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. So, buckle up and let's see what the Yaris Cross brings to the table. First up, let's talk about that head-turning design. The Yaris Cross boasts a bold and sporty look, with sharp lines and a sculpted exterior. It maintains the Yaris's recognizable personality while adding a touch of ruggedness. Available in a variety of colors, you can find a Yaris Cross that matches your individual style. Moving inside, the Yaris Cross offers a surprisingly spacious and comfortable cabin for its size. High-quality materials and thoughtful design create a premium feel. The driver's seat is well-adjusted, providing excellent visibility. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, even for taller passengers. Toyota doesn't disappoint when it comes to tech. The Yaris Cross comes loaded with a user-friendly infotainment system featuring a touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. A digital instrument cluster keeps you informed with all the essential driving data. Safety is a priority, with the Yaris Cross packing Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, a suite of advanced driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking and lane departure alert. Under the hood, the Yaris Cross gets its power from a fuel-efficient 1.5-liter 3-cylinder hybrid engine. This engine delivers a peppy ride with impressive fuel economy, making it perfect for navigating city streets and conquering weekend adventures. The 2024 Toyota Yaris Cross is a compelling option for those seeking adventure in a compact and efficient package. It offers a comfortable ride, impressive tech features, excellent safety ratings, and the legendary Toyota reliability. Whether you're cruising through town or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations, the Yaris Cross is a capable companion for every journey. So, if you're in the market for a subcompact SUV that punches above its weight, the 2024 Toyota Yaris Cross is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining us on this ride. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Yaris Cross, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting car reviews. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.